It's Friday, folks. It's TGIF, and you know what that means. Hi, folks. Mr. Garry here from GBL, the old church, 5-acre Homestead. Today is an historical day. Sounds like I stole that line from someone very, very recently, but I won't say his name. But anyway, today is an historic day here at GBL, the old church, 5-acre Homestead. Why would I say that? Well, look over my shoulder, right there. That is the last of the old church windows in this church, and we are removing that window today. So from an historical point of view, all of the windows after today in this old Anglican church will all be removed and replaced with vinyl windows. We are turning this old church into our private home. And this window that we're going to be installing today is a beautiful, beautiful window. It's going to go in that opening. We have to narrow up the opening. It's a little bit bigger than we need. We need it a little higher, so we're going to do some adjustments with that opening. We've got some styrofoam insulation to go on. So we're going to bring you along in this video, and you get the unique opportunity to watch Mr. Garry and son Devin install a vinyl window in the back of this old church. The very, very last window that needs to go in, actually. We'll do that today in this video. So if you are into that, if you are interested in watching us install a window, remove this old window, then stick with us here at GBL, the old church, 5-acre Homestead. There's the window.
There's the cotton candy.
Yeah. Now, Devin, if I had you come down and get him. That's the last of the church windows. All removed. Okay. Now we'll take that one over where the other ones are. Yeah. So the last of the old church windows have been removed, folks. So that's the opening right there. We have some work to do with this opening now to make it suitable for the new window. I'll take you inside and I will show you the new window. Getting ready to install a brand new window that Miss Betty actually found on Marketplace. This is a new window that to purchase would probably be around $600 Canadian, and we got this one for about $300. So that's a pretty darn good deal, and it is brand new. No cleaning, nothing like that required, like we had to do with some of the other windows that we installed here. This is, as I said, a brand new window. It is 20 1/8 wide, so we need to allow for a little bit of leeway on the sides of this to get it in. So we're going to make our rough opening around 20 3/4, and it's also 52 3/8 long. So we're going to make our opening exactly 53. This is the current opening over here, folks. It is a lot wider than we need, and it is a lot higher than we need. So we've got quite a bit of adjusting to do. We've got to build a header, and you've seen Devin and I do a header a while ago when we installed the patio door. Go back and check out that video. It's on our YouTube channel. So go check it out. We made a huge header up there for the patio door. We had to do another header up here. It's going to be a smaller one, but still we have to put in the necessary work to make a nice strong header above this window. We've got to narrow up the opening to about 20 and a half, as I said. It's currently 30 inches. We're going to get at all that. When I come back, you'll see us probably doing a little bit of work around this opening. And later today, hopefully, before it gets too dark, we'll have this window installed here at the old church. That one's done. There we go. There we go. We only got 2 or 3 left now. Then we'll have this all closed in. And then we'll have just a window opening. Window has to go. This is where the old window was. And this is where the new one is going. Okay, do the same thing, Devin. Another 29 3/4. Okay, attaching the 1-inch styrofoam insulation to the back of the church here now, folks. Looking pretty good, I must say. We've got everything all done, all boarded in. This is the opening for that new window. We still have a little bit more styrofoam to go on over on this side right here and up here on the top. A few interesting cuts to make, as you can see. We'll make those. We still have another full sheet of styrofoam left. So we'll get this done, and we are very, very close to installing the window. Now the tuck tape is next, and then is the window. So it's window installation time, folks. We're getting ready now to put the window out through and then turn it around and put it in through. We'll be doing some shims and leveling up, and we'll be using some silicone as well around the built-on J-trim around this window. And then we'll be securing the window in place in those little slots with some 2-inch siding nails. Okay, this is our grandson James. James is helping put on the silicone on this new window today. He's doing a zigzag pattern with the silicone. He's going to have to pass it to his dad, I think. And his dad is going to have to do so much. Okay. Okay, now we'll soon have all the silicone on, and we'll be standing that window up very, very soon and putting it in place. All right, almost done, James?
Yep.
Okay. When you're done, you can let the pressure off the off the gun and pass the gun to your dad.
Okay. So the pressure, how do
Just push the button. Remember the button Pop told you about? There you go. All right. Here we go. The last window going in the old church, folks. A very historic day because all the old windows have been all removed and all gently used, except for this one. This is the only new one. Now, let's try to get them up there now. Don't let them drop me. Now, you make sure that he's square, that the lines are lined up. A little bit on my hands.
And we're almost done.
A brand new window that was never used, but we did manage to find it on Marketplace. A $600 window, and we got this one for $3, so that's pretty darn good. This is going to be the window to Nan's pantry, James.
Yep.
This is where Nan is going to keep all her perishables and all her canned stuff and her bottle stuff. Okay, when you got her centered and leveled, and all leveled up. Okay, we want to make sure that the window is level, James. That's very important.
Yes, very.
Now, is it level? Can you tell?
Yep.
Okay, now I'm going to put in some
Nails.
some siding nails. Now we're going to go all the way down. We're going to use every single hole this time. Squeeze out that silicone that we put in there so it seals out of the rain. Okay, I think we're good. Okay, it's going in quite solid into that header that we put in. Okay, that's good. Drive the nail in until he goes flush. One. All right, that's good. Do the bottom one. Come on, Mr. James. So let's put the tuck tape on the top lip or the edge of this window, folks. Here we go. Right, so there we have that part. Let me get my utility knife. Okay, cut that down, Mr. Garry. Okay, so now we'll go down the two sides. Looking quite sharp, folks, I must say. The last of the vinyl windows are all installed here now at the old church. All of the old church windows have been removed. So it is, as I said earlier, a very historic day here at the old church. Okay, there's our grandson James looking out through the new window. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Thanks for watching this one, folks. We do appreciate you coming back to our channel often and always. This was our TGIF, our Friday video. Thank you ever so much. And Mr. Garry now signing out. We'll see you very, very soon. Perhaps, folks, there will be one more video showing the back of this old church. We still have some siding to go on, and we'll be doing that very, very soon. And that will be the end of the siding for this old church. We will then pretty much have the exterior of this old church renovated and completed. We have the patio, of course, to do. We have the ledger board on that we did a few weeks ago, and that is a video on our YouTube channel, how to install a ledger board. So go check that video out as well. Mr. Garry now saying you have a blessed Friday. Enjoy your weekend, and we'll see you again very, very soon.